Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Excuse me. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Tati. I'm 46 years old. I come from Brebes Central, Java of Indonesia. I'm Muslim. I'm married and I have two sons. My last education is junior high school. My height is 148 cm. My weight is 55 kg. I have experience working before in Kuwait 2 years, from 2015 until 2017. My job is take care ama, housekeeping, cooking, ironing, and washing. In Saudi 2 years, from 2018 until 2020. My job is take care newborn baby, housekeeping, cooking, ironing, and washing. In Singapore 3 years, from 2021 until 2024. My job is housekeeping, cooking, ironing, washing, and marketing. I can cook simple Chinese food, for example, steamed eggs, steamed fish, steamed chicken, fried vegetable soup, and porridge. I want to work in Singapore because I need more money for my family and my future. I promise I will finish my contract until 4 years maybe or more. I'm finished introduce myself to you. Thank you, man. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. See you in Singapore.